Okay guys, here's what we're looking at today. This is about a 4-ton or 5-ton carrier unit, a water source heat pump. It's obviously a replacement. It's not a building original. This would have been a Climate Master of a similar, similar size. And this one, the date on this one was, I saw it earlier. Seems like it's 2000 or something. So it's about 12 years old, something like that. Anyways, but the problem we're having with it is that it's only going into cooling. No matter which the thermostat calls for, it's only going into cooling. So as you can imagine, it's winter time now. It makes it pretty cool in the bathrooms here. Which is, anyways, and just so you get a scope of what we're dealing with here. Where I gotta put myself. Not too comfortable as the compressor panel that we're looking at. I gotta sit up on this beam right here, the block of wood. Bullshit. Anyways, maybe a glance at what the bathrooms look like. Not too fancy. Just good old medical building bathroom or something. But alright, so I'm gonna get up here with my Klein screwdriver and see what's going on. Man, it's so hard to get up here. At first I wondered why there was a block of wood up here in the ceiling, and then when I realized that the only way you could work on this unit is by sitting on this beam right here, which is these are two high spots here. Block of wood is really the only way you can be even remotely comfortable. So as far as a camera location, don't really have a good one. Don't know what that's looking at there. But give this a shot. This will be apart. Shoot, what the hell? Oh man, I didn't bring my meter. That makes me mad. I have to go down and get that. Mama, don't let your babies grow up to be building engineers. You're wrong. Come on. Grading. Alright. Oh my. Isn't she pretty? Yeah. What sort of turkeys we're working in here before this turkey got here. Alright. See an interlock relay. That is the extent of our control system at these buildings. At this building is those fan interlock relays. Highly advanced technology or something. Not really. About as basic as building automation can get. Alright. First thing I'm going to notice is that the control transformer is hooked up to the correct tap. It is hooked up to 208, which is what we have here. So good job on this one, installer. I wish you would have. Alright. Well. So, I'm going to grab my meter because we can't really do much other than look at it without it, so we'll be right back. Oh my god, it's finally over. I figured it out. I was beating my head against the wall. Damn, it was, you're gonna laugh though. It is very simple. Note the thermostat wires up here. This is kind of strange, but the Y1 signal is not used for our application here. The call for the compressor comes through Y2, and then you have your fan hooked up as normal, and your reversing valve wire, orange, hooked up to O, reversing valve signal, and of course R hooked to high. And bit of privacy here. Alright, and so this was wired up before, as you would expect. It was hooked to the O was hooked to the O terminal, and the Y1 to the Y1, and Y2 to Y2, and but that was the reversing valve was always energized, always cooling. And that's not what we want right now. But if you look over here on this tricky little wiring diagram, it shows on an automatic changeover thermostat, R goes to R, and Y1 goes to O. So your Y1 on this type of thermostat is your signal for the reversing valve. So I hooked to the O wire, which is hooked to O on the terminal block on the unit. I hooked that orange wire to Y1 on the thermostat. Took the yellow wire off of Y1 completely because it's not used, and hooked everything up. Started it. Magic bananas! It works in heating and cooling. Changes over automatically. Wow! But it just goes to show you, I was. And first, originally, it was stuck in heating the way that these idiots set it up, and they couldn't figure it out. So they just put a little jumper wire from R to O to energize the reversing valve constantly. So that was the first reason it was stuck in cooling. But then even after I took that out, I thought I had fixed it, but no, because the thermostat was still wired incorrectly. So these are the silly little things that manufacturers do to keep us on our toes, I guess. But so very happy. Tomorrow morning I'm going to come in here, and it's going to be nice and warm in my bathroom, and that's going to be nice. I'm going to sit down and be very comfortable. Alright, well, I'm going to put this thing back together here, gather up my tools, and damn, it's leaving time already. Time flies when you're having fun. Okay, talk to you later.